Adding lattices to custom insoles can be difficult, but using LeoInsole will do it in a matter of seconds. We start by loading in the foot scans and then applying a preset. We have a custom built latticed insole preset which will create a full length, full thickness insole with lattice work. If we want to adjust it further, we can go to the lattice menu, increase or decrease the cell size, the beam thickness, the surface beam thickness, and even the ring thickness. But it's still not a closed surface, so I want to enable a top cover. Now it's closed on the clinical surface against the foot. I can even control the zones. For example, if I wanted to add a heel relief and make it a little thinner and a little softer under the heel, or a little denser and a little more supportive under the metatarsals, I can do that easily. When I've changed all the features that I want, I can generate the insole, and now I have a custom-made insole with lattices and a closed top surface.